When should I start applying for developer jobs in tech? Let's talk about it. Learn how to code. You don't necessarily know when you should start applying to jobs or how you should go about doing that. Let's talk about determining if you should start applying or not. We're back at the whiteboard. When to apply. This is a couple questions that you can ask yourself, and depending on the answers, you should know exactly if you should apply to a job or not. Do you want to apply because of the timeline? Are you applying to a job because you're saying, it's been 3 months that I've been learning, it's time to start applying? Or are you wanting to apply now because you know you have the skill set and ability to solve problems for a company? Big distinction. Don't let the timeline dictate your movement within this field. Make sure you know the skills that are necessary, because I don't want you to barely survive whenever you land a job in tech. I want you to thrive in that new environment. You need to know this stuff. Can you make a project without it being a step-by-step tutorial? If I were to give you a task right now, it's completely okay if you Google this stuff. It's completely okay if you start researching it. But can you actually complete that task without a step-by-step tutorial taking you through every single motion? If you can do that, that's a really good sign. Do you know an in-demand stack? Don't just say, okay, I've learned this thing because it's something random on the internet, give me the job. Do you actually know what the employers in your area are looking for and what they're hiring for? For example, did you just learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but everyone is hiring for React right now? If that's the situation, you need to learn what they're hiring for so that way you can get those opportunities. 50% of the job description. Do you know at least 50% of what they're asking for? If so, apply. Do you know at least the main technologies that they're looking for? If so, apply. Worst case scenario, they say no. They pass on you. They skip you. You're in the same position you were before. Best case scenario, they say yes. You got the job. Fantastic. Or at the very least, you get an opportunity to showcase how valuable you really are. If you bring value, they will bring a checkbook. It's simple as that. You absolutely got this.